The MLA cum MDC of Mauhati constituency, Charles Marngar, had submitted a memorandum to the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today, the 23rd of March 2023, to request for the intervention of the council into the alleged illegal tax collection from farmers of the area by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC. Charles Marngar, while expressing concerns for the farmers of Mauhati constituency, said that after information was gathered from sources, it was found that the KAAC had charged rupees 8 per kilogram of broomstick from farmers who belong to the villages of Umlaper, Sabuda, Jatalong, Madan Umbang and Mau Saladiang. This has become a burden to the people as they had to pay a lump sum tax amount of rupees 15,000 per Mahindra pickup vehicle of broomstick, lamented Marngar. Therefore, the Mauhati representative has urged upon the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council to take up the matter with the KAAC and to immediately put a stop to the tax collection from broomstick farmers of the villages under the particular constituency.
Ka jingi kenduk jonga bat Chief Executive Member Budan Boram jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council mantakasngi kalong halor ka wei ka phang bakata ka phang ka dei kadon ka wei ka jingi kenduk jong kinong rap jong kanong kinong song snong jong ka than block tu ka jongi ki bakan thop igi babon klik snong bat kata ka jingi tengku ka jing ka baki mat ki kenduk kadai hagabai bat ka jing lum khajana jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lengba ka Forest Department bat kalabu iki breu jongka ki badai ki private collectors haki santli ki gates hapo kini ki border area ka jongi kumensi thu ipi kita ki gates ki dan kawai hakasnong Jatalong kawai ka dan hakasnong Madan Umbang kawai ka dan hakasnong Sabuda kawai ka dan hakasnong Umlaper bat kawai pat ka dan hakasnong Mau Saladiang kini ki santli ki gates hakaba ki labo tang na kabanta ban krong khajana ya usansar bat haka receipt kabaki ki tho kita ki private collectors ki ong jaharu mahaldar kemudian kini ki gate ki babu baik ki balong spesifik ban krong nam tau sensar te haka jingya dai bagane ke jing krong khajana ke jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kala kata sibun ya ki nong rap ki bai ki jongi ki badan hak te ka dong ka than ya kwa bani thu ipi hang ne ba ngalai thu ye CM ba ka jing krong khajana ke jong ki kalong hak dor pratangka sikilo sensar Pratangka sikilo sensar lada piken kelum haka shi main pick up kawai ka main pick up kawai ka kali pick up lakum noru kata ka bai khajana kan poi lakum noru khatsan hajar haka wai ka main pick up dikane gade ke jinge ka baki nong rap jongi kili kendo pi kane gade ka por ka season haka baki nong rap ke jongi kila yo bandi ya uneu sensar jongi bat ki babon na kinong song ki jongi haka tega dong ka than kidai kinong rap sensar lada kidi yo sensar menta kila yo ban psa ya ka yeng kasam ban penbiang ye jindon kam ki jongi na ka benta kini ki panai ki brangsa jong ne islam ban psa ki khon ki kti ban pha school ki khon ki kti nam ta ka jindon kam ki jongi te kani ka jingle jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kala bu sisa ye ki jingye ya kinong rap jongi today halor kene kanong rem ngalawan ban mare ban hadin bang layo jingtip na kesenjuk jong kirang basnong ban hadin badala dehi ngala phone ya kinong rap ki badan hak te dong kathan ngala in personally ngala interact bat ki ngalap bagade ke jing sisa baga jing krong khajana yu sensar kalong sisa kum bangala batai pi khman ya kene ke por ke jing kenduk jonga ba CM kalong ban kerpat ii ba intu kelar lem ya kene ke bentah dengan sultanat bah ke jingi kendo bat i mentan ila ong yang ba in sa aino mardor hi ke jing tho show CM jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council bat ha ke juga poru Nagaliang ka forest ka jongi nang ni ka forest department jong ka district council ka jongi nang ni UCM jongi un sapha no mardor ye ki officer ka jongi ban lej ban pej ban khmi ban lej ban tuklar ya kene ka jingle jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council te kata ka de ka daw ka ba pelong nga bangan wana kene ka por ban yikundu UCM nomor sokya sikade ya ka jingi kendu ka jing mat jing jong ki nong rap ka jongi mdai tang ha kene ka snam ndai ngala jukren ro i kene ha district council hagi snam ki blalej nam ta ka jing jong ki nong rap ka jongi ka jing wan bu jong ka Autonomous Council Karbi Anglong ye ki gates lang bagi forest gates ki jong ki kene ka labu ka jing sisa ye ki nong rap ki jongi te na kaliang ka jonga ka penremjur ye ka jingle jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ka balakta sisa ye ki nong rap ki jongi ban na kaliang jongaru lang ba kene ku kubor ngapha ka kubor lang ba CM jongi ba ka district council ko jongi kan simkhya halor kene bani rablam ye ki nong rap ki parado ki prasnam ki jongi ki basong ki basa hakne ka dong bakathan ki jongi